case you are new, my name is Claudia, and if it's your first time to come across this YouTube channel, guys, kindly subscribe, support your girl here, the road to 5,000 subscribers. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for your support, guys. And if you're watching for the first time, guys, kindly don't forget to give a like to the video. So guys, on today's video, I'm in the streets of Nairobi, and it's in the evening, it's around night. But guys, I'm going to show you how Nairobi looks like at night. So guys, let's do this. So guys, let's see if Nairobi city is safe at night. Let's walk around and see. Let's walk around and see if Nairobi city is safe at night.
Camera.
This is the view of Nairobi at night, guys. It's so clean, guys. So let's keep on walking. Guys, look at how people are chilling. Look at how people are chilling around. Let's cruise. It's so crazy. It's at night and people are just walking around. So this is the view, guys. Let's keep on going. People are just chilling here at night. So guys, this is the view of Nairobi. Just walking around and see if Nairobi is safe at night. So let's find a way. Go guys, a lot of traffic here. So let's keep on walking, guys. go through this crowded place, guys. So crazy. So crazy, and it's about to rain. So let's keep on going. People are queuing for buses here. Others have not closed their business, guys. So many here, guys. Let's walk around and see.
Shilingi 100 peke yake. Nani mwingine nimefungia kuwa na 100? Shilingi 100.
Let's walk around.
Kiweza kupata yako na mwezio, bahati na zigo. Pelekea haja tulio. Nani mwingine ana 100?
So crazy here at night. So I have to be careful with my camera, guys. Another thing, I don't want to show my face. Most of the people have not closed their business here. This is how it looks like. So let's go. Let's keep on going, guys. Let's find our way. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you like it, kindly subscribe, like, watch and share.